Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money trading cryptocurrency online. So how do you go about this trading cryptocurrency? You must first know the fundamental. You must know the details of this trading crypto. You must know the details of those coins. You must know how cryptocurrency works. And this trading, you can make this trading not only on this Bybit platform. You can use Bitget, you can use Binance, and lots more of them. Okay, so how do you make money trading this crypto? On Bybit, there's what we call derivatives and also a spot trading, of which I have a lot of those classes on my channel. You can check and find them how they really works. Okay, so how do you make money trading those cryptos? You make money when you predicted and purchase a particular cryptocurrency and you predicted that it's going to be high and it definitely go towards your predictions, then you will make money from it. Definitely. That is on a spot. And on a derivatives, if you predict a particular coin to go downwards, which is negative, and it went downwards truly towards your predictions, then you will make money, right? And if you also predicted to go upwards, you will still make money as long as this goes towards your predictions. Okay, now how do you go about it? Now let me quickly check this Modin / USDT. It currently has a very high negativity, which is up to 20. So how do you make money from this now? You can simply come to this place to buy and predicted your coin to go upwards. And if it definitely went upward positively, truly, then you will make a profit. As many as you can. And as much as this coin will keep going towards your predictions. Is that okay? So, if you buy today, why you're seeing this long and short is because this is a derivatives coin. It's a feature coin. All right, it's a feature coin. If you click on long and you're going to go into buy it long, that is, you have predicted that this very coin would be going upwards. Okay, and if you click on sell, which is known as short, that is, you have predicted that this very coin will continue going down. And if it went towards your predictions, then you will make profit, which is downward as you predicted, which is negative way. You know, in derivatives, there is up and down. Both you can make profit according to what you predicted, right? There is up and there is down. If you predicted the coin to be going down, then you make profit. If it's going down, it will be a plus. But if it is going up against your predictions, it will be your minus. Okay, it will be your what? Your minus. So you can only make money trading cryptocurrency online if you have the right informations and the right signal. So the right informations and the right signals has become very vital when it has to do with cryptocurrency trading. Okay, so you can do this also in other coins. Let's look at some of those coins I just purchased. I bought this coin with all predictions that the coin will be going up, which is this one. I bought this coin and I predicted that it will be going up. but currently it's going down. I'm still impatient. I'm still be patient, but in a soon time, by His grace, by God's grace, it's going to go towards my predictions, because you can see how low it has gone here, which is in 4000,388, and currently it's in what? It's 406. Let's see how much I invested. I wanted this to be like live trading, but it will be taking much time, so I choose to wait. You can see I invested roughly 65, but I've taken some negativities, which is now I'm having minus 2.5. So I'll still wait. Before morning, by God's willing, or before few hours, it will definitely go towards my predictions, and I will make a lot of profit from this. There is it. Okay, so there is another coin again, which I purchased. So if all of these go towards my predictions now, I'm going to make a profit. And currently, I think this is going towards my predictions. I bought this coin as well, known as grape. So if you purchase here at this volume and it's going positive way towards your predictions, you will make profit. As I am currently in profit now in this with this very coin. So let's see how much I've invested. I've invested 32 and it's currently 35.9. You can see I'm currently going in profit. So if you invest in a particular coin and predicted that it will go up or down, if it goes towards your predictions, you will be in positive. That is, you will be in plus and you'll be making money. So making money with cryptocurrency is simply depends on your predictions and your right source of signals. There are a lot of money in the crypto market, but what you need is the right knowledge and the right informations that can keep you going or keep you making profit. Okay, there is this coin again that I bought. I've invested in so much though, in GG. This GG has been going down for like a very long time, and you can see this coin has been declining. So buying from this place will be a good time for you. Okay, but one of the things you must understand in crypto market, do not be greedy. The moment you see profit, take it and wait for another opportunity. All right, let's see what I have invested. I've invested 13 here, and currently it's in what? 0.6, which is I'm in profit with 0.6. Okay, so these are simple ways you can make money trading cryptocurrency online. So all about crypto is all about your predictions. Okay, so you can go on, study your candles locally, look at exactly where it's heading to, and see where exactly you need to invest on. All right, you can see how really it is. You can see how really it is. You can like check your candles, check your candlesticks locally, check it per hours, and start investing. Okay, so these are the few methods you can use in making money trading cryptocurrency. Okay, I will be stopping here today, but in my next class, I will be sharing another vital information with you in addition with to what I've been sharing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the end. If this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain or profit from this amazing class. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.